Welcome to another video. Before starting the video, I'd like to tell you that memberships for my channel is now available. By becoming a member, you can enjoy a variety of perks, including member shoutouts, early access to new videos, exclusive courses by me, and uncut footage. There's a membership option for everyone, so please consider tapping the join button and subscribing to the one that suits you best. Your support will help me create even more great content. I'm aiming to reach 8 memberships so that badges for all members will start showing up on my channel. Your support will help me hit this milestone. Now, let's get back to the video. So, Google has launched a new version of Gemini-1.5 Pro. This is an experimental version, and it is coming out on top in the LM SYS Arena, which is kinda cool. It even beats Claude-3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4O, and others, which is really very cool. It is available to be tested out for free in the Google AI Studio. There are no benchmarks shared about it, so we'll have to try it out ourselves. This may also be an early peek at the Gemini 2 model, because many people are saying that this is the Gemini 2 Pro model. This model is also supposed to have the same 2 million output tokens as the previous models, which is also quite cool. Anyway, let's test it out. So, you can just go to Google AI Studio, and here you'll find the model. Now, we can test it out from here. I'll be trying it out with these 12 questions. So, let's get started. The first question is, what is the capital city of the country whose name ends with Leah? I'm referring to the country name here. The answer should be Canberra, or any country capital that rhymes with Leah. Let's send it over here and check. Okay, so here's the answer, and this is a correct answer. So, let's keep this a pass. The next question is, what is the number that rhymes with the word we use to describe a tall plant? The answer should be 3. Let's see if it can answer it or not. Here's the answer, and this is correct. So, we'll keep this a pass. The next question is, John has 3 boxes of pencils. Each box contains 12 pencils. How many pencils does John have in total? The answer to this should be 36. Let's send it and check. Okay, here's the answer, and this one's also correct. So, this one's a pass. The next question is, Lucy has twice as many candies as Mike. If Mike has 7 candies, how many candies does Lucy have? The answer should be 14. Let's send it and check. Here's the answer, and this is correct. So, this one's also a pass. The next question is, I have 2 apples, then I buy 2 more. I bake a pie with 2 of the apples. After eating half of the pie, how many apples do I have left? The answer to this should be 2. So, let's send it over here. Here's the answer, and this is also correct. So, this one's also a pass. The next question is, Sally is a girl. She has 3 brothers. Each of her brothers has the same 2 sisters. How many sisters does Sally have? The answer to this should be 1. Let's send it over here. Okay, here's the answer, and this one is also correct. I'll keep this a pass. It's on a good streak till now. Now, the next question is, if a regular hexagon has a short diagonal of 64, what is its long diagonal? Let's send it and check. Okay, here's the answer, and it doesn't answer this question correctly. So, this one's a fail. I guess it's not good at math like me. Anyway, the next questions are coding-based. The first one in this category is, create an HTML page with a button that explodes confetti when you click it. You can use CSS and JS as well. Let's see if it can make it or not. Okay, here's the code. Now let's preview it. So this works pretty fine. I have no complaints. So this one's a pass. The next question is, create a Python program that prints the next X leap years, based on user input. Let's see if it can do this or not. Okay, here's the code. Let's run it. So, this one also works fine. I have no complaints with this as well. So, let's mark this a pass. The next question is, generate the SVG code for a butterfly. This one's a little tricky. Let's see if it can pass this or not. Okay, here's the code. Let's preview it. Okay, so this doesn't look like a butterfly. I can't give this a pass. So, this one's a fail. The next question is, create a landing page for an AI company. The landing page should have 4 sections: header, banner, features, and contact us. Make sure that the landing page looks sleek and modern. You can use HTML, CSS, JS. Let's see if it can make it or not. Okay, here's the code. Let's preview this one as well. Okay, this one also looks fine. It has the banner sections and every other section we wanted. So, this one is also a pass. The next question is, write a game of life in Python that works on the terminal. Let's send it and check. Okay, here's the code. Let's run it. So, this one also works fine. It looks pretty cool as well. So, this one's also a pass. Now, this is the final chart, and as you can see, it answered almost every question correctly, except 2 of them, which is fine. It means that this model is really capable and can be fully on par with Claude or GPT-4O. I think this might be Gemini 2, but I'm not sure. Also, this model is supposed to be multimodal, so let's test that out as well. I'll be trying out some questions that I like from the Grok-1.5 test that was shared, and some of my own. The first question is this one. This is a food packaging that shows the calories and stuff. I want to know how many calories are in 5 slices of this. The answer to this should be 100. Let's send it over here and check. Okay, it answers this question pretty well, and it's fully correct as well. So, this one's also a pass. The next question is a meme. You already understand this meme. Let's see if Gemini understands this. Okay, here's the answer. And it also gives a very good explanation of this, which is really very cool. I didn't think that it would give this good of an explanation, but it's really very cool. The next one is this table, which I wanted to change into a CSV. Let's ask it if it can do this or not. Okay, here's the answer, and it has done that correctly as well. So, it's really great at multimodal stuff as well. I think it also supports video and other stuff, which is obviously also very cool. Now, from what I can say, is that this is one of the best models from Google. I don't know if this is an improved version of Gemini 1.5 Pro, or this is a whole newly trained model. I think that this is a better trained version of Gemini 1.5 Pro, but I may be wrong. Anyway, this model is really cool and maybe on par or even better than Claude-3.5 Sonnet. If you want a Copilot or Aider video with it, then let me know. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.